Hello everyone, welcome to your own channel Daily Commodity. So today's video is related to a trading of a commodity which has many industrial applications and it is widely considered as a stable store of wealth, that is the commodity silver. In today's video, we are going to discuss about how is silver traded in the bullion, future, options, ETFs and CFDs. So let me remind you, if you have not subscribed to our channel yet, please do subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to get all the notifications and updates from Daily Commodity. So now let us know how is silver traded. Silver is traded differently depending upon what form it is in. Bullion must be physically delivered from one person to another. Normally, futures are traded between parties without the physical delivery of any silver. Silver can be also traded in ETFs and CFDs. Is silver a good investment? Silver has many industrial applications and it is widely considered as a stable store of wealth. As I said you earlier, whether any given trader can make money in the silver market will depend upon their ability, experience, and even the luck. Like most of the commodities, silver is not something which can jump into and expect to succeed at. How can be silver traded? Traders have several ways to speculate in silver, including the bullion, future, option, ETF, and CFDs. So now let us know how to trade silver bullion. Physically, silver bullion such as bar or coins is the most direct way to speculate in silver. However, the trading in bullion requires a secure storage facility. The cost of the storage and the low value to weight ratio could make the holding physical silver has impartial proportion. You can use online bullion dealer which must be considered bullionvault.com and bullionstar.com. So now let us know how to trade silver CFDs. One way to speculate silver is through the use of the contract for difference, which is a derivative instrument. CFD allows trader to speculate on the price of the silver. The value of the CFD is the difference between the price of the silver at the time of the purchase and its current price. Many regulated broker worldwide offers CFDs on silver. Customers deposit fund with the brokers which serves as a margin. CFDs are complex instrument which comes with a high risk of losing money rapidly due to leverage. The advantage of CFDs is the traders can have the exposure to the silver price without having to purchase the shares, ETF futures or options. So now let us know how to trade silver as a future. Futures are nothing but a derivative instrument through which the traders can make the leveraged bets on the commodity price. If the price of if the price declines, trader must deposit additional margin to maintain their position. At expiration, the contracts are physically settled by delivery of the silver. The COMEX division of Chicago Mercantile Exchange offers a contract on silver in the unit of 5,000 troy ounce. The contract trade globally on CME Globex electronically traded platform and have a variety of expiration months. Trading in future requires a high level of sophistication since the factors such as storage cost and the interest rate affecting the price. So now let us know how to trade silver option. The Intercontinental Exchange offers an option contract on silver future. Options are nothing but a derivative instrument that employs leverage to speculate in commodities. As with future, options have the expiration date. However, the option have a strike price which determines whether the option have a value at expiration. Option buyer pays a price known as premium to purchase the contract. An option bet succeeds only if the price of the silver future rises above the strike price by any amount which is greater than the premium paid for the contract. Therefore, the option traders must be right about the size and the timing of the move in the silver future to profit for their trades. So now let us know how to trade silver ETF. ETF are exchange traded fund which are financial instrument that trades as share on the exchange in the same way how the stock is done. While the ETF may seem perfectly proxy for speculating on silver, traders should also consider the risk and the cost. Many ETF trades in the silver future or options. Silver trading strategies. Silver is a highly volatile commodity. It has many industrial uses at the same time that it is used as store of value, which makes trading a complicated matter. The trader must consider the fundamental analysis of the silver, which should include inflation and GDP. The trader should also consider the technical analysis, that means the analysis of the movement of the price of the silver and the gold silver ratio. An important technical analysis is a tool is the gold silver ratio. Silver and gold price have a long been correlated. It is most always in the case when the gold rises, so does the silver. As a result, many traders look at the gold silver ratio. So, traders must consider the gold silver ratio before investing in silver. So, if you like the video, please hit the like button, share, comment, subscribe. Thank you.